Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, David June 101 tutorial. We are now in coding using the code.org. We are going to learn computer science, how it works. So this time we will be doing some problems. We are going to solve some problems in grade 2. Grade 2, lesson 7, 8, and lesson 9. Okay, so lesson 7 deals with creating art with code. Lesson 8 is binary bracelets. And lesson number 9 is my Loopy Robotics Friends Junior. So we are going to solve some problems, random problems, in this particular lesson in our code.org. Okay, are you ready now? Are your computer is all set up and ready? So we will start. So before we start our coding, may I show you some of the comments of the parents? Okay, so this is from one of our parents that is subscribing our channel. It says that we enjoy your clips on YouTube so much. So impressed. So thank you for helping us by assign super fun assignment and activity for our kids during the school closing. So we all know that we have our school closure because of this corona COVID-19. So Ray is requested for more computer assignment. He wants to do it every day. Thank you very much. And we are hoping that our video tutorial help you a lot in solving some puzzle in our code.org. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's start. If you have some comments, you can write down in the comment section. If you have some suggestion in our tutorial, you can also add so that we can improve our tutorial here in our YouTube channel. So to start, we will go our browser. Okay, so if you already bookmark your code.org, no need to type, but all you need to do is to click. And this time we are going to sign in. Okay, still remember your code for 2D, because we are going to solve problems, puzzle in 2D. So 2D, our code, we will type J. Okay, this one, our code is JBXKFF. Okay, that is our code. For new student, all you need to do is to create an account. But if you are already created your account, all you need to do is to sign in using your username and password. So click go, and then we will look for our name here, and then my password, this one, then sign in, and this time we can now start our work. Okay, so we are going to solve problems, random problems, not all problems, so that you have also your time to do it by yourself. Okay, so I will solve random problems. So we are in grade 2 now, so we will start with lesson number 7, creating art with code. So remember that lesson 7 starts with number 1. Number 1 is, this is the video, an intro video. All you need to do is to watch.
You wouldn't even qualify for the race if you don't have people that are proficient in computer sciences because of how much data the cars
So after you watch, all you need to do is to click continue. But remember, you need to watch that one so that this button will become green. So we will be doing maybe 2 puzzle in each lesson. So I will be choosing lesson number, maybe lesson number 3. Okay, so here in our instruction, it says that let's make a cage for my pet monster. Drag black onto the screen to have the artist draw over the gray lines in the picture. So each line is 100 pixel long. So remember that our coding is given 100 pixel long. So this line from here going here is 100 pixel. Okay? So all you need to do is to move forward, right here, move forward. So that is 100 pixels. So it up here, right? When you reach here, what next is you need to turn where? Turn. Yes, you need to turn right. Okay? When you turn right, how many degrees? Should be 90. Okay? And then next is to move forward another 100 pixel. Okay? That's it. So we have 4 blocks in our workspace. Now, if you need to add colors, all you need to do is to set colors. What color you want? It's black. Okay, let's try to run. Okay, so that is how to solve puzzle number 3. Okay, let's solve another one. Another puzzle. Maybe puzzle number 8. Okay, let's go to puzzle number 8. So I'm ready now. So if you can see, we have this object, and it says that this tag is special one. Can you figure out how to draw outline? The long side is 150 pixels, and its of short side are 75 pixels. So this one, the long side is 150. Okay, remember, the short side is 75. We only need to use 12 blocks. So to start with, we need to move forward. How many pixel? The long side is 150. So we can change to 150. You can type 150 here. And then, next is to turn. Where? Turn right. This is now, how many degrees? This is not 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees is L. But this one is 45 degrees. So you can adjust the angle here, 45 degrees. So this one, 100, and then this one is turn right, 45. So forward, how many pixel? Yes, that's correct. That's 75 pixel. Okay, so you are here now, right? You are here. Now, next is to what? Turn right again. And then 90. It's 45, right? No. Should be how much? Should be 120. And then move forward. How many pixel? It's 75. Okay? So let's try first if it will work. So we have error here. You can see we have error here. Okay? Why? Why we have error here? How many should the angle here should be 90? Let's try. So this one should be 90. So let's continue. Let's continue now the puzzle. So we are here now. So let's turn right. Then after you turn right, what next? Turn right. What next? Move forward. How many? 100. But this angle, how much? It's what angle? This one. 45, 90, or 120. Let's try to have 120. Let's run. No, it's not. Okay, let's try 45. Okay, correct. It's 45. But the problem is this one is, should be 150. So this is how to solve one by one so that you will know how to turn, how to move, okay, your lines. So this is 100, but we need to have 150. Next. Next, okay, reset, and then we are here now. We need to turn right again, and then move forward 75, and this angle is how much? How much this angle? It's 45. Okay, and then move forward. I'll turn right 90, move forward 75. Okay, let's try to run, and we will check which one is our error. Okay, so done. That is how to solve our problem. So again, turn, move forward 150, turn right 45, move forward 75, turn right 90, move forward 75, turn right 45, move forward 150, turn right 45, move forward 75 and turn right 90 and move forward 75. So that is how to solve our puzzle. This is our puzzle in lesson 7, number 8. Okay, so we will move on now to lesson number 8. So lesson number 8, it's about binary bracelet. So all you need to do is to watch a video. Okay, so this is a binary bracelet. Okay, this is all. So this is the representation of A, B, C, and the last letter. So all you need to do is to click continue, and then it will move to your challenge. Okay, go to lesson 9. But before you go to lesson 9, you need to do the challenge. So this challenge in lesson number 8, I will leave it to you. Okay, so we will go to lesson number 9. Can you do it? You know, I know that you can do it. Okay, this is challenge. So you do it, your challenge. Next, we will go to lesson number 9. So the first one, lesson number 9 is only unplug activity. So all you need to do is to watch the video. Okay, that's it. After you watch the video, you click continue.
This is a fantastic lesson called My Robotic Friends. It's a lot of fun. We teach programming without using computer.
Okay, so before you go to, you complete lesson 9, but you need to do the challenge. This is the challenge in lesson 7. Okay, so maybe we can try the challenge in lesson 7. Okay, so we need to do this line. Help me paint the yellow lines on the road, and then the 3 line segment have length 150, 100, and 200. So the long line is 200, the short is 100, and this one, the medium, is 150. So let's try. So we will use yellow color, yellow. So the color is yellow, not black, but yellow. So move forward. How much is this? It's 150. Then turn left 90 degrees, right? It's 90 degrees, this one. And then move forward. Short is 100. And then turn. You are here now. Turn right. Turn right 90 degrees, and then move forward 200. Okay, let's try slowly. Okay, so challenge is done. So congratulations, our challenge is done. So I'm hoping that you learned something in our lesson 7, 8, and 9 today. Okay, so I already solved your challenge. So thank you for watching our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and please also click the bell so that you will be notified for our new videos coming out in our channel. Okay, thank you for subscribing. Don't forget, just click and then subscribe our channel. Have a nice day, everyone.